All right, today we're at MarineMax Lake Norman checking out the 2024 Yamaha SX220. This one is in primary black and secondary powder blue hull color. And a galvanized tandem axle trailer with brakes. Coming around to the back and we'll step inside. All right, we're inside the SX220. You'll see the bimini top, huge rear entryway on the transom, rear seats with storage. Inside you'll see the snap out carpet. This is a twin engine model. Dual TR1 Yamaha engines. Up into the console, you have dual shifters, dual starters, Bluetooth radio. This is your command screen here. Wireless phone charger, tilt steering. Also on the observer side, you have wireless phone charger, glove box, storage area with trash can. Down below, a little bit more storage with the ski locker. Plenty of room for all your friends up front. Anchor locker on the bow with the ladder. Check this and all the Yamaha products out at Lake Norman MarineMax.